Hi folks, thanks for tuning in again to our Akiya renovation. Very exciting time. So we are getting close to the end. So I'm going to go ahead and provide a couple more updates until we're done. We're still looking at finishing up around the 9th of July. Today they turned on the electricity. They installed all the electrical fixtures, outlets, and everything throughout the house. They still need to do the casita in the garage, but let me go ahead and walk in there. I've just kind of been peeking in throughout the day, kind of been doing a lot of yard work, and also they removed the cardboard and the wood floor, so we're going to be able to see it for the first time myself too. So yeah, let's go inside and check it out. All right, so like I said before in the previous video, they finished up the Genkan tile right here. You can see it's still covered, but today they were cleaning up, and starting from the entrance, they put in the shoe rack, I guess. I'm not sure what it's called exactly in Japanese. Very nice. Smells really nice too. Very thick, solid wood. Plenty of room for shoes. If that is not enough room, Choco, honey, you have too many shoes. I probably might get in trouble for that. Hey, there you go. Check out this floor. Oh, I've been looking forward to seeing this floor. Wow. And then again, it has these little grooves with the ear rings exposed, and it kind of gives you a little massage in your feet while you're walking. Unfinished. To clean it is just a mop with a damp mop and maybe with a little bit of soap. And light fixtures, and wow, you can hear the echo in here too. So these are the lights that I personally picked out at Vitori. So scanning down, right around right there is where the couch would be, and I'm kind of standing where the TV would be. And I thought it would be kind of cool just to have kind of orangish lights, nothing bright right over it. And I think, let's see if they turn on. Whoa, check that out. I'm sorry, but I'm too excited about that. That's really cool. And then also, I specifically asked for the switch right here, because so that I'm sitting here on the couch, I can just reach over. And so here on the ceiling, we have these fluorescent white. We specifically, and let me go ahead and give you the reasoning why we chose certain lights and where. Here, I wanted something low profile, all white. I was telling Choco when we were at the store, I don't want no silver little lining or a little brown little edge. I want it as low profile, and just so that it kind of blends in with the ceiling. Ooh, very cool. Oh, that turns on all the lights on the hallway as you enter the house. Very cool. Oh, yes. All right, that's cool. I like that. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, you turn on this one right here, and then it provides a lot of nice lighting as you walk in. I like that. Okay. And the fan. So we chose a fan right over the dining room, which would be right there, the dining room table. And we chose this fan, again, white light, and then it's fake wood, but anyways, the wood kind of blend in with the color. So part of what we're trying to do is minimize all the different colors and everything. That outlet right there is for the air conditioner. But yeah, look at that gorgeous floor. Let's see, let's walk around here, see what these do. Hopefully the electricians don't get mad at me. Whoa. Okay, that, turn on the fan light. Well, that one turn on this little light that goes right over the island. We bought this off Amazon, and it kind of resembles the beams of the house. Not the brightest light, but I will show you kind of the reasoning for that here in a minute. But yeah, this is just kind of a smooth light, so as you're sitting here cooking, it's not bright up in your face. However, right behind me, you see that fan light. And the electrician was saying, oh, this is amoshiroi. Yeah, so this is nice and bright. And then again, it's a fan, so it's right over the sink and the stove and the refrigerator in the island area. So the point of that is so that it will kind of provide a little coolness while we are cooking. There you go. That one is nice and bright. And then in the pantry, kitchen annex, same concept. We have one just like that. And this one is not that high. I can actually reach it. But that's okay, because in here it'll probably get a little warm. Yep, nice and bright. So that's another thing Choco was asking, is like, well, you know, I want it in here nice and bright, because what she's gonna be doing in here is also baking and that type of stuff. So that's where her baking stuff is gonna be at right here. Real nice bright light. Okay, let's go ahead and move back out to the dining room. So here on the floor, there's an outlet. Let's see how this works. Whoops, pops right out. And that is so that while we're eating, right around on the dining room table, sometimes we have like a hot plate to make certain type of food. Closet. And these are just a little simple little lights. That we just bought them at the, oh, there you go, nice and bright as well. The sink area, same type of light. Nothing exciting here. The laundry room, same thing. Nothing exciting about this light here. Okay, let's go ahead and the toilet area, same thing. And again, they have installed the toilets, and you got the same type of light in there. And one other thing is we made this one right here motion, so that when we get up at night and come out and go to the bathroom, it comes on its own. And actually the light into the Genkan is motion detection as well. Choco and I both thought this was pretty cool. So this right here, this is the tatami room. That's why there's no wood floor in here, but the tatami room, this should be coming soon. And then in here we kind of chose this little one right here. Kind of looks like on a straw. Let's see. There you go, voila. Nice. That's cool. Yeah, that's nice light. Nice light right in the tatami room. Soft, but nice and bright. Into the bedroom. Again, same, we got a fan in here. And we have not bought the lights for the loft yet. We're still kind of trying to figure that out. Not sure, we're probably gonna do the rail lighting, but we're kind of waiting for them to finish up in there so we can go in there and kind of see what type. We can just run to the store real quick and buy the lights. So the cool thing, quite frankly, at first I got a little aggravated because you know, the builder told us that we had to provide the lights and the fans and you know, I didn't get mad, but I was like, oh, menduksai. Which is kind of too much trouble. But then once we started thinking about it, it was like, well, actually we can go ahead and pick and choose what we want, and so this worked out really well. So yeah, so now let me go ahead and show a little bit on the loft, the woodwork there. I said this side there's gonna be railing. Well, there is railing. Look at the pegs. The big beams right there. And then right here is the original Fusuma is gonna go in here. It's like a decorative. You'll see it later on when I post it. So basically the air flows through there. And then right here, Choco got her wish, and she wanted one of the sliding doors with the, kind of like a bunch of thin slates. And so yeah, that one's gonna be a new door. On this side, from right there, it would be the original one, but it would be repaired as well. And then again, that Mount Fuji Yukimi. So this is and this right here is a Yukimi, which means literally snow look. So looking at snow, and basically what happens is the bottom half lifts up. So as you're sitting here in the tatami room, you're looking outside and looking at the Japanese garden, looking at the snow or whatever, if there's snow. So that's the whole point of a yukimi, to enjoy the snow and looking outside. So right up there is the hanging light for I guess the hallway, the stairway. And so that one was actually a mistake. We bought it for the tatami room, and once it came in, we both of us looked at it right away. We're like, samishi. In Japanese, samishi means like lonely. So they're too small for the tatami rooms, but actually perfect for right there. Yeah, while I'm here, let me go ahead and peek into the loft. So what they have done here, they finished this side, finished there, finished around the side. And before I pointed out, there was a bolt right here. Actually, this is what was put there in place. And they're still working on this, but this is the railing. There's gonna be some sort of little gate right there. This is what the loft looks like. So two big sections. Wow, look at this. I'm jealous of my wife. So this is her craft room. And wow, look at this, so pretty. This is the first time I've seen it. Wow, really nice. And again, fan light here. And no one has asked, but if you're wondering what that is so when they built a house in Japan, there's like, they have like a Shinto ceremony or a Buddhist ceremony. And that's the original one. That's gonna come down, but you know, normally this is hitting above the false ceiling. So, but yeah, we're gonna take it down. I'm not quite sure if we're supposed to do some sort of ceremony or something like that to take it down or not. But I'm just gonna pull the gaijin card and just take it down. The track lighting with all four pointing towards Choco's, like a little craft table and stuff. And then I'm looking around, see if I can find a switch where that would be. The toilet is done too. Okay, looks like they finished up this part right here. Little electronics there and everything. The Toto unit. And this is just to, you know, rinse off your hands real quick while you're using the bathroom. And then the new toilet. All right, folks, well, should be it. Thanks for watching. Today is Tuesday, and Friday is gonna be another exciting day. That's when they were going to install the kitchen unit, the island, and the fireplace all at the same time. And then, let's see, then the air conditioning is coming, then they're gonna deliver all kinds of other stuff that we had to buy. So if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and share and all that. All right, thanks a lot, goodbye.